In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can scan a Clash Royale QR code so that you can claim rewards easily. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, if you are in Clash Royale, go ahead and exit out of it by just swiping up from the very bottom. And essentially what you're going to want to do is actually open up the camera app on your device. From here, all you have to do is just hover over one of these Clash Royale QR codes, for example, one of these ones right here, and select the little link that's going to appear down at the bottom. If it's a screenshot, just open it up. If it's not, it's going to just use something like this, but most of the times, what it's going to do is pop up with an option to open in Clash Royale. In this case, this QR code took me to this Supercell store, but for example, if it was something like an emote, I could just scan it and it's going to open up the Clash Royale immediately, or in this case, another Supercell store ID. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.